Hi, I welcome you all to a quick and easy guide on how to start and maintain healthy habits when working on a tight schedule. I'll request you to kindly please view till the end, and I promise you that your health is going to love it. Number one is plan your meal ahead of time. This will help you avoid impulse buying, skipping meals, or eating out too often. You can use a meal planner app, a calendar, or a notebook to write down what you will eat for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day. You can also prepare some meal in advance and freeze them for later use. Stock up on healthy snacks. When you're busy and hungry, you may be tempted to reach out for something convenient but unhealthy, such as chips, cookies, or candies. To prevent this, keep some nutritious snacks handy at home, at work, or in your car. Some examples are nuts, dried fruits, granola bars, yogurt, cheese sticks, and baby carrots. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for your health and well being. It helps you stay hydrated, flush out toxins, regulate your body temperature, and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also drink herbal teas, low fat milk, fruit infused water to add some flavor and variety to it. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They can boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and keep you feeling full longer. Try to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. You can eat them fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. You can also add them to your salads, soups, sandwiches, smoothies, or desserts. Choose a whole grain over refined grains. Whole grains are grains that have not been processed or stripped of their nutrients. They include brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa, barley, buckwheat, and whole grain bread. Refined grains are grains that have been processed and bleached to make them look white and last longer. They include white rice, white bread, white pasta, and pastries. Whole grains are better for your health because they contain more fiber, protein, iron, B vitamins than refined grains. They can also lower your cholesterol levels, blood sugar levels, risk of heart disease, and diabetes. Limit your intake of sugar and salt. Sugar, salt, and fats are added to many processed foods to enhance their flavor, texture, and shelf lives. However, they can also harm your health if consumed in excess. They can increase your calories, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, risk of obesity, heart diseases, stroke, and cancer. To limit your intake of sugar, salt, and fat, you should read the nutrition label on the food packages and choose the one with lower amount of these ingredients. You should also avoid or limit foods such as soda, candy, chips, fast food, fried food, baked goods, and sauces. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more awesome content like this. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you.